Do you dream of an English cottage garden that feels like something out of a fairy tale? Full of color, buzzing bees, and blooming flowers? That's the magic of a cottage garden. So, what is a cottage garden? A cottage garden is informal, wild, and full of charm. Overflowing with flowers, herbs, and vines, it's beautiful chaos. And yes, you can create one, even as a beginner. Let's start with some essential flowering perennials: lavender, fragrant, beautiful, and pollinator-friendly. Great for borders and pathways, loves full sun and dry soil. Coneflowers, drought-tolerant and long-blooming. Attracts bees and butterflies, great for natural, wild-style gardens. Hollyhocks, tall and bold, perfect along fences. Old-fashioned charm in every bloom, self-seeds easily too. Delphiniums, dramatic blue or purple spikes. Add vertical interest to any bed, needs support and rich soil. Foxgloves, elegant and great for shade. Watch out though, they're toxic if ingested. Still, a cottage classic. Want to add some vertical magic? Try these climbers, climbing roses, timeless, fragrant, and perfect for trellises. Choose repeat bloomers for season-long color. Sweet peas, delicate and sweet-smelling. Easy to grow from seed, they'll need support to climb. Clematis, big, bold flowers in many colors. Love sun on top, shade at the base, let it climb and shine. Fill in gaps with these lush, low growers, lady's mantle, soft leaves and frothy yellow blooms. Adds texture and charm, lamb's ear, fuzzy silver leaves. Loved by kids and perfect for contrast. Dianthus, small, spicy scented flowers, great for borders or containers. A cottage garden isn't complete without herbs. Try these easy, useful picks: chives, pretty purple flowers and edible too. Great in beds or pots, thyme, fragrant and low-growing. Perfect for sunny pathways. Calendula, bright orange blooms that are edible and healing, a cheerful addition. Nasturtiums, edible flowers with a peppery bite, super easy to grow and fill space fast. Why these plants work? These plants are colorful, hardy, and attract pollinators. Plus, many are perennials or self-seeding, low maintenance. Cottage garden tips: embrace a wild, overflowing look. Mix flowers, herbs, and edibles. Use curves, not straight lines. Let plants recede naturally. And that's your guide to building the perfect cottage garden. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Let me know your favorite cottage plant in the comments.